Welcome back. It's Jyoti and
Shruti.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we are all charged up by the song. We heard it twice in the reaction, and now we are gonna
Yes.
just dive right into the magical journey part two.
Yes.
Ready?
Correct.
21
Yes.
minutes
Super
this one.
ready.
Chalo.
Huh.
1, 2, 3, play.
Force my thing. Så vi drar den. From left side.
I wonder how long they spent there.
It's
Weeks.
surreal to be here. It's great to be here, and I'm overly happy, I think, but I'm a bit nervous as well.
Why?
Yeah, because it means a lot. You know when something means a lot to you, then you get nervous.
Yeah.
Aw.
So happy to have you here.
That's why.
I'm also nervous, but
Yeah.
I'll be honest. When everybody is going to be here, what's going to happen? It's exciting me. I'm curious, but
Exactly.
I'm nervous. Yes. इस गाने में टाइम बहुत लगा, but it shows, right?
Yeah.
The time, the ideas, गाने को structure out करना, नए parts बनाना,
Yes.
doubt में जाना, doubt से वापस आना, फिर उनका world फर्क है हमसे. ये बात भी कि जो इनके listeners हैं वो फ़र्क हैं जो कोक स्टूडियो के listeners हैं. Most of कोई अब बहुत छोटा सा subset बनता होगा. उस point पे लेके आना कि we have to make a song जो आपके listeners को भी लगे कि बहुत ज़बरदस्त है और हमारे यहाँ listeners पागल हो पहुँच गए हैं वहाँ तक. मुझे अच्छी पहुँच गए.
We had a chat with Sulfi before, like a year ago. I think we ended up just working on Pia calling for a couple of days, and everything floated so nicely. All the ingredients of the song came within those days, but we didn't exactly know how to put them.
So what we did was we tried to make a.
So he
bridge,
sent me
right,
a few
guys?
demos, right? And all those demos were out of the world, all of them. With such a beautiful heart. You could see it in every little detail he had put.
We just started making. He was just like we were clapping, and we're having so much fun.
Nice.
And he was coming like Pia calling, and that was just like, oh wow! And I just felt like I had to film it and send it to you because it was so much fun.
Like your music feels it's nurtured. You're not
Nice.
manufacturing it, you're actually nurturing it. And I think that's why it resonated with not just me, but everyone in this room. Wow.
Hey, Irish, nice to meet you.
Great to meet you.
Great to meet you, finally. All good? Nice. I play the keyboards over there.
Oh great, I'm just figuring out the percussion
Perfect. No, I'm not gonna disturb you.
So sweet.
It starts from Pishla season in Kanayari. That's how it began. And somehow वो कैफी मेरे दिमाग में था ही शुरू से.
I think Keffi's voice, when he sings, everybody's silent. Everybody's like, ah.
Mind you.
His voice is, I don't know. It sounds like he's lived for like many more years than he has. What a beautiful song. There's a lot of stories in that voice.
वैसे रुचि भाई ने मुझे बताया कि ऐसा ऐसा है कि इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट हैं, आप कोलैबोरेशन कर रहे हैं उनके साथ ना, तो उस वक्त तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि किसके साथ करना है. फिर जुल्फी भाई ने बताया. सबकी यूनिक आवाज़ है. चिराग है, मेहदी है और अमादा है. मुझे हमेशा से नया म्यूज़िक, नई सोच, नई म्यूज़िक, नया काम, इसका क्रेज़ था.
Fine to see you here.
Yeah.
So just imagine languages कौन सी हैं? बलोची है, उर्दू है, उर्दू हिंदी आप कह लो, पर्शियन है, अरबिक है, ठीक है, नॉर्वेजियन है, गुजराती है. There is no song in the world like that, right? Now there is.
Love it.
उधर एक एक्सपेरिमेंट होता है कि म्यूज़िक क्या क्या कर सकता है। तो म्यूज़िक वो वाहिद वो चीज़ है जो कि एक्चुअल ब्रिज है, हार्ट ब्रिज है। आपके नैरेटिव को बदल सकता है और आपके लोगों के दिलों को बदल सकता है, नेगेटिविटी को खत्म कर सकता है। बस वी आर ब्लेस्ड कि ये होता है। इसका इम्पैक्ट बहुत फार रीचिंग होगा, शायद सबसे ज़्यादा। ऐसा लग रहा है कि सारी दुनिया ना पाकिस्तान में जमा हो गई है। ये पाकिस्तान के लिए भी हमारे लिए ना स्पीकल बहुत बड़ी बात है कि तब ऐसा होता है कि आर्ट के लिए इतने लोग इकट्ठे सिर्फ नेशनैलिटी से देखते रहो ना, आपके अराउंड क्या है आप उस पर रो दो। वो सिचुएशन है हमारे पाकिस्तान में, कराची में। मैं कैफ़ी के साथ पैरेलल में काम कर रहा था ऑन स्पॉट, और वही पिया पिया कॉलिंग की वाइब में उसी कॉर्ड प्रोग्रेशन सब पे।
कुछ वक्त गुजरा, उन्होंने फिर ये ट्रैक भेजा पिया पिया कॉलिंग। मैंने सुना, बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा। कहा कि यहाँ आपने कुछ लिखना है। सुन के मैंने लिखा फिर जुल्फी भाई को बताया कि ये मैंने लिखा है, तो उनको बहुत पसंद आया। तो मैंने कहा फिर मैं इसका गुनगुना के भेजता हूँ आपको।
क्या तुझे याद है तेरा दीवाना, तूने इश्क किया नहीं पहचाना, इस दुख का नहीं कोई हर जाना, ना 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 ना
तो भेजा, कहा ये तो बहुत परफेक्ट है ये वो। फिर वो बलूची लाइन मैंने ऐड किए, बोला ये तो ये भी बहुत अच्छा है, ज़बरदस्त है। मैंने कहा ठीक है।
कैफ़ी आपने ना मेरे अंदर का कैफ़ी जगा दिया, ये सुनो।
जब तेरे शहर से गुजरते हैं तेरे दीदार।
तब ये कैफ़ी ने पार्ट भेजा ना आके, क्योंकि मैंने उसको म्यूज़िक नोट भेजा था यार, जब उसने भेजा ना मैं पागल हो गया सुन के। मतलब मुझे इतना मज़ा आया कि मैं गाऊँ तो ना, मैं वैसे ही बैठा हुआ था, तो मैं प्रैक्टिस तो नहीं कर रहा था, बैठा हुआ था, बस मैं फील में था और मैं गा रहा था। मैं जिया को सुना रहा था कि यार ये क्या पार्ट बन गया है। तो जिया ने जो है ना कैमरा ऑन करके वीडियो बना दी।
What I'm thinking now you know what's there. The bridge part. That's a very open part, and it's meant for you guys to figure it out together with us. You know.
Yes.
Down. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Fine.
I'm gonna clap when the clapping comes. Okay.
गाओ ना वो वाला पार्ट।
Zip is up. Come with you.
Right. It's gonna be great. Very beautiful.
Man.
You too, man.
जब बिल्कुल भाई ने सेंड किया, कहा ये कहा बहुत खूबसूरत मेलोडी
He
है।
called me and said that Cafe maybe is going to be on it. And accidentally I told my sister quickly. She was like, "You better fix it."
So when the concept of the song came together, and I started talking to Nasir, and he started telling me about different styles of the other members. So they trusted me fully, and the trials was insane.
It's gonna be there.
Dilara gave me the opportunity to design for her, and so much love and understanding and collaboration happened there.
Great. Perfect. Oh, this is amazing. Great job.
No.
Yeah, this is amazing.
No.
Yeah.
They're so humble, open to discussion, not difficult on anything. And that's, I think, a quality of a true superstar.
We are about to start rehearsing, and the props are being laid out, spaces are being made, and everything is going to come together. Everything that we've been working on for the last, I don't know, several months now. It's a really cool pop song, and we're trying to kind of make a story and a performance around that makes it as energetic and exciting.
Tanya, our production designer. Tanya, Nasir, Magdi, Chirag. Been hearing about you guys for weeks.
Initially, Jamal had a concept where it was about these people who were in their own spaces और इनको पाकिस्तान नहीं तो कोई और जगह बुला रही है और ये लोग जमा हो रहे हैं साथ और ये साथ मिलके एक गाना बना रहे हैं और ये गाना गा रहे
So this is the outside area where we're all going to congregate before we go into the main area.
Yeah.
And I think this around here is going to be your platform.
You see, the most important thing is कि जो space हम design करते हैं, it should not take away from the artist. You need creative space. You need people who trust you and who let you be expressive. Otherwise, it'll never work. You can't get the best out of you.
I want to find like a cool way to interact with Kathy as well.
Yeah.
Even though dance is your foundation, you can unlock more skill sets and abilities. Coke Studio has given us so much space and voice in this project that nobody else have given us or believed that we could.
जुल्फी भाई मेरे पास आए हैं, बोला तुम चलो मेरे साथ चलो और सेट लग चुका था. I got up and I went to see the jam.
He also has a camera.
You have to see this energy, is what he told me.
क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस ना ख़त्म नहीं होता. अगर आपको कोई चीज़ फील हो रही है ना कि वी कैन कनेक्ट बेटर टू पीपल थ्रू समथिंग एंड इफ़ यू फील कि देयर आर चेंजेस हैपनिंग एंड दे आर जस्ट सिग्नलिंग टू यू कि कुछ और करना चाहिए, तो फिर तो आई थिंक यूनिवर्स इज प्रेजेंटिंग यू विद एन अपॉर्चुनिटी कि देखो और क्या हो सकता है.
When I felt that energy, I said, we looked at each other and we knew that we had to rethink something.
Something happens, and something like really beautiful happened. Like the jam that we had was, we want to preserve that while painting that world for the song as well.
और जेम में भी हमें बहुत मज़ा आया क्योंकि म्यूज़िक बजता है, आप ज़िंदगी बजती है.
जब गाना जैम किया, उनके म्यूजिशियंस, हमारे म्यूजिशियन, सेम सॉन्ग बट दैट एनर्जी इज बीइंग एडेड इनटू इट, इट्स जस्ट चेंजिंग एवरीथिंग. पता है दिखाना मुझे ये जो हो रहा है ना, बात कहीं और जा और हम ये मिस नहीं कर सकते. This is what I'm saying. एंटायर करियर में ये फील नहीं किया, तो इसका मतलब है कि हम इस वाइब को इग्नोर कर नहीं सकते.
ये फिर से नहीं होगा,
ये नहीं होगा. तो ये बस दिमाग में सारे रखें कि वो कर रहे हैं, टाइमिंग शाइमिंग सेट करें, एडीज शेडीज दुनिया भर को बता दें कि ये हम कर रहे हैं. वी कांट मिस इट. यस, वी आर डूइंग 2 videos.
Exactly. I was going to say it earlier. I was like,
So then we all sat down together and we decided to cut some of the narrative and give these performers, they're performers, they need space. Like they got to express themselves, and I think that's where we decided that we were going to make the space more like a magical Pakistan. This was the words that Zulfi bhai used. And that's actually all I needed as a brief. It was 24 hours of free hand. कि बेटा आप करें जो आपको करना है.
यहाँ में इनको वेलकम कर रहे हैं.
We're trying to make a space which was Eastern, but it also didn't look alien. Painter community है. This is a dying community. So I called the यूसुफ भाई 11 बज रहे रात के, लेकिन आपने सुबह आना है। 12 लोग आए हैं और वो लोग मेरे साथ लगे हुए हैं, सुबह 6 बजे तक हमने तैयार किया है।
जब हमने पहले थीम और इसकी सोची थी तो इन माई माइंड व्हेन आई वेंट केम टू द सेट जो बन चुका था, मुझे लगा कि वो जगह वेलकम कर नहीं रही उस तरह इन तरह, लेकिन जो हमारी आइडेंटिटी है वो थोड़ी सी उसमें मिस भी हो रही थी, राइट। वो बन गया था, वो लाइट भी हो गया था, वहाँ मार्किंग्स भी हो गई थी, बट देन वी चेंज एवरीथिंग। और ये इनको ये बता लिया कि सब चेंज हो रहा है, तो चलो स्माइल ही थी, कहते कर देते हैं। जो सेट मेकर है, जो इनके वर्कर्स हैं, तो ये है पाकिस्तान जी। वी कीप इवॉल्विंग, वी कीप थिंकिंग एंड वी आर वेलकमिंग। तो आई जस्ट वांटेड कि जो स्पेस बने वो बहुत वेलकमिंग हो इनके लिए, उसमें एक हमारी नायत, एक पाकिस्तानियत हो, मैजिकल पाकिस्तान हो।
Wow, they must have worked all night.
मतलब इस चीज़ को आप कंसिडर करें कि हम पैचिंग का अलग डे होता है, साउंड चेक का अलग डे होता है, और फिर जाके हम तीसरे दिन जाके शूट करते हैं। और अभी पैचिंग की थी, ख़त्म की थी, और साथ ही आया कि नहीं सेट चेंज होगा। फिर हमने थोड़ी सी कोशिश की उनके साथ, हमने कहा अच्छा हम यहाँ पे साइड पे कर देते, वहाँ पे कर देते हैं। हमने कहा नहीं, बहुत कुछ चेंज हो रहा है। तो आज हमें अर्ली एज पॉसिबल आना पड़ा, होमवर्क डबल करना पड़ा, उसको पैच किया, मतलब वो स्पीड में किया ऐसे करके ताकि टाइम कम से कम हो।
Yeah, this feels like Karachi. One day they do this.
They're machines. They're insane.
Okay, here, all the way out.
जमाल भाई बहुत टैलेंटेड हैं और बहुत डिफरेंट काम करते हैं। करना यारी तो थोड़ा वीडियो डिफ़िकल्ट था, क्योंकि वो दरवाजे खोलना, ये वो जाना, इस बार ज़रा डिफरेंट है।
The video it's kind of deep. It has like a very strong meaning to it if you really think about it. And for us, we need to get the right emotion.
Do it here, which continues the story in your mind, your story.
It's beautiful that everyone has their separate storyline, like everybody has something they long for or someone they long for.
Because you hold on to a keepsake that reminds you of someone or some time to experience or get in touch with that person that you're missing. So it can also be treated as a celebration. So it can be happy in that sense. And that triggers the dance.
This stand would be like.
We're different people, but we're so
This warmth and love was had started like months ago when we started making the song with them, and it just all tied up into a beautiful collaboration which we saw on screen as well.
Mixing countries, mixing languages, mixing cultures, all that kind of stuff, and it feels like a pure moment. I don't think it has happened like this before.
True.
I feel like this is a dream coming true that I didn't know could become a dream or could come true.
Thank you so much. And this was my dream. Thank you.
This was my dream too.
If life can give you these kind of surprises, then life is pretty good, you know?
यार ये कुछ बहुत ही सरियल कर रहे हैं इस सीजन में
ये
कुछ और ही हो रहा है
I don't
Why am I
even
crying? Why are you crying?
I
Why
don't
are we
know.
crying?
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, I think that energy also, like, transfers. We also kind of start feeling it.
So special.
Beautiful. Yeah.
I just can't. But I
Like,
feel
it
like
was so precious. There were moments I was feeling almost like how to preserve this, how to safeguard it. How to, the way it's going and the energies, the way everybody is coming together and one after another, how the build-up that is happening, how does one preserve it? Like, एक वो जो feeling आती है that something is super precious, then you want to
yeah, guard it
and save it and take care of it and make sure that it prospers nicely.
I think the best way to guard this is to share it with everyone we know,
Yeah.
like,
Yes.
but
Best way to guard it is to spread it.
Yeah.
Let it shine and let its wings come out and fly.
yeah. And I like that everything that was happening in this magical journey was, there's no other word for it. It was magic. It was just absolute pure magic, and it's a gift to people who love music and who love art, and to just, it's a gift. It's a gift period. And why it is a gift is because we've been saying these things for too long. They are almost cliched lines that music brings the world together and art brings the world together, and they're almost cliched lines because we've heard them for so many decades and years, but we don't really believe them or feel their energy and the power of those lines when they actually come into reality and into the 3D world. And when we see it and we see people's energy sinking this way, and not just their energy sinking, but their intent sinking first, and then when the intent has synced, then the energy sync happens automatically. Like, it's all on automation. I felt like they could feel that there's something special in the air, right? And just as we said in the previous reaction, we felt it when we heard the song, because everything was so pure. It all began from a pure moment and from a pure desire and a pure intention. My heart just, like, I think my tears rolled when I saw the painters, and that it's a dying art form.
Same. It
I
was that
just couldn't
moment. That
control
moment
it.
got me also.
It got, yeah. And also, I'm so glad because before that last video ended, you noticed the flowers and the whole artwork on the walls, right?
Yeah.
And it was the fact that they did it overnight, and it was after she felt the energy that the song and the entire coming together of all these people was igniting. She was like, this energy needs this, and the people
You know
worked
what a
all
master stroke
night.
that was? What a master stroke by
Yes.
Zulfi that he called the director and the art director in,
Yeah.
saying, "No, you guys need to witness it because there are certain things आप उनको words में express नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah.
You know, when you feel it, and if everybody's feeling it,
Yeah.
and for both of those HODs to have that feeling that something is missing, you know, and as the entire thing का producer, as Zulfi, he did not point, he, you know, एक होता है बस बताना कि यार कुछ missing है आपको fix करना है.
Yeah.
एक है दिखाना कि क्या missing है. Now figure it out with your own creativity to have that faith and trust on your HODs that they are masters of
Yeah.
their skill, you
Yeah.
know, and they will get it. So you
Yeah.
just make them, you know, take them to the source of water. They will drink that water and they will make sure that it is provided for. Lekin, you know, rather than pointing it out, which was, it's such a master stroke. And then
Yeah.
one after another, everyone shows up. Like how overnight to first figure out, okay, kya missing hai, to put that into action without thinking about ke अरे अब ये गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, ये गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. How they were saying एक एक दिन assigned होता है इन चीज़ों के लिए, you know, and after set is made, and वो सब होने के बाद to go back and to change the set,
Yeah.
it takes, and then to know that whatever you do, retakes नहीं मिलेंगे. अब जो कर रहे हो वो final है और अब वो होना पड़ेगा. You know,
Yeah.
it can really make a person go through a lot of anxiety and back down as well, and which is where practice and skill comes in. You know, when you've
Yeah.
had practice of dealing with that level of stress for so long, is when you suddenly shine out and say, yes, I will and I can, and this change is going to happen, and we'll pull it off by morning. Wow,
They've
wow.
done that. They've
Just
done
to
that at
see
so
that.
many moments also in this season.
Wow.
There have been, when the
Yeah,
rain
बारिश
happened,
हो
for
गई
example,
थी.
and
हाँ,
it's
yeah.
it's just it's just the energy. It's from top down. Like the energy from Zulfi is so I don't, even the moment where he was singing and sending Kefi the lines back, and it's like
That was the best moment. What a moment
yeah,
seeing
but
Zulfi sing.
again, like it's like an amazing example of top-down energy was
Yeah.
that, and how he took Tanya to the set and said, "You have to witness this jam. You have to, you can just, I will just take you to the energy. You have to
Yeah.
feel the energy yourself, and then you decide what needs to be done after you felt the
Correct.
energy, because you will know what needs to be done. That
Yeah.
kind of faith in the people that you're collaborating with is so important. And again, like the collaboration for the sake of collaboration, we've seen enough and more in the world, right? People come
Correct.
together and
Correct.
collaborate to create music, but they don't
Yeah.
get in sync. And what he said even to
Mm.
Thomas at the end, like, your music doesn't sound manufactured, it sounds
Yeah.
nurtured. So again,
Wow.
when you're, that is was one of the statements of the year for me. Like, nurtured
Mm.
music is so different from
Yeah.
manufactured music. If only more people understood that, even within the music world, it would just
And
change.
then for Zulfi to have the
And
right words to express it, that
yeah,
matters too. You
yeah,
know, many times one
it's
feels an emotion but doesn't have the right words to actually express it. And words do hold value in such a case. You know,
yeah,
when you use the right words to express the right emotion, it hits home. It immediately, like, you know, clarity aa jati hai us baat ki, which
yeah.
is what happened. Wow.
Sometimes words, sometimes no words, just
Yeah,
show the
yeah.
energy. But it's all getting communicated, and it's all, the energy is so in sync that everyone understands. Like he said, when you're in sync, you don't need words to communicate also.
Yeah.
It's all happening not just between the musicians, but everyone involved on that set are
और
just
ये ट्रू है कि ये बहुत रेयर होता है. You know, people who've been working together
special.
for years and years, they
Yeah,
still don't have it. This is the part I'm talking about, which like you almost feel like how to protect it.
yeah,
These are those precious things which, you know, moments and there's synergies which you want to just protect and say कि बस, you know, ये ऐसे ही रहे.
yeah.
Ah,
I agree. And I mean, this magical journey part two of this song is, I think, one of my favoriteest magical journeys in the whole season. Just
yeah.
because it just gives me so much hope. It gives me so much hope, and it just makes my faith stronger in the fact that no, it's not just a cliched line. Art and music can bring us together, and because at the core of it all, we are all human beings with the same underlying base emotions and underlying
Correct.
base desires and wants and feelings.
Correct.
So we can
Correct.
all just the heart is very full after watching this. The heart is very,
Yes.
very, very full.
Yeah.
फर्स्ट टाइम आई थिंक हम एक BTS के बाद साइलेंट हो गए हैं गाने से ज्यादा. You know,
हाँ, नहीं तो हम इतने triggered होते हैं ना, like we want to talk about
ये
everything, we're so
this
excited.
I
Here
just
also, but I think here, and I think all of them were very aware of what magic they're creating. When you're aware of the magic that one is creating, in that moment itself, you know how they all kept saying, यहाँ कुछ हो रहा है, यहाँ कुछ हो रहा है. You know, वो रह के सब लोग वही कह रहे थे कि यहाँ कुछ हो रहा है. And
ये कुछ स्पेशल है.
वो translate हुआ है, वो 100%
वो तो
translate हुआ है.
वो तो जैसे ही सॉन्ग सुना हमने वो हो गया था हमें फील. It just
And
you
ये,
can't
with
not feel
every
it.
listen, it's getting better. है ना?
And we
Like
have one
right
more
now,
listen. We have
हाँ.
the special. There's a performance
Oh, there is a
jam.
special.
Yeah,
Oh, yes.
it's in this
Let's get to
video. We have
it.
to watch it.
Oh, मुझे also ऐसे लग रहा था because I thought खत्म हो गया. Did you see how when they were leaving and when Chirag was also saying bye and like leaving and he had
The
that, you know,
hugs
जब
and
आपको कहीं
that.
से जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा होता और आपका चेहरा उतर जाता है because it's like
Also,
you
when
know
you're
you're going to,
grateful, when you're then
yeah,
there was a look of being so grateful that I went through this experience in all their eyes when they were hugging goodbyes. It was
too
just
beautiful.
too pure, too pure. I can't with this BTS. I think ये BTS देख के मैं 5-6 बार और होंगी. Just and yeah.
Sorry,
Bless
cold
you,
is acting
Jesus.
up now.
Yeah. We
Yes,
will watch the
yeah.
song, but I just have to say again, the dying art of the painters should not die. Should not die. So good. Okay,
More power to them.
sorry.
Yes. No,
I just
you
had
should
to
never
say
be
it.
sorry for expressing emotions. And it's a fact. It really shouldn't die, and I don't think it can die. People can think, okay, you know, in coming years and like 2 and then 4 and then 6 years, the whole graphic industry and so much is going to change that AI will be doing it with like one prompt. It's already begun and it's only going to get finer and finer. लेकिन जो एक कला होती है जो पेंटिंग की होती है it cannot be replaced, it can't be replaced. You know, there will always and is a difference and it's going to remain, and the true connoisseurs of the art will recognize it. There is no other way around it. वो चीज़ तो रहने वाली है.
Yeah.
तो बस उनको और ज़्यादा काम मिले और काम मिलता रहे, and I love that Coke Studios giving them that level of work, you
Yeah.
know, that with that passion. So fantastic.
Mad props to Tanya for bringing them in, and
Yeah.
they're so this thing about there. They worked all night. It just melted my heart. And I think them and any other like art form, so good. We have to like encourage it. I don't know why I'm tearing up. Shit. But it must. We like we're so into mass production of everything, including music and other art related things that you know, it's just something we should remember when we go out to buy anything. Anyway, okay, that. So bad props to Tanya for doing that and to the painters for working all night and to, you know, give us that sort of amazing culmination to the different storylines that were playing and then
And off to all the
bring them into that
musicians जिन्होंने
space.
last minute, yeah, जब
Yes,
last
some
minute sets
changes
change हो
किए.
गए और उसके बाद भी because they can't back I mean that's the
Yeah,
main thing. It's
exactly.
after all a song
They
that is
showed
being
up
created.
and they pulled
They
through
showed
and
up, they
how.
delivered, and how.
Yes,
Yeah, I
yes,
think everyone's
amazing.
boundaries were tested and well done because everyone has like, you know, just shown through it. Like, yeah, wow.
And now we have a special to enjoy before we end
Yay!
this.
Yes.
Yay! Now I'm very happy that there's one more
Send,
video.
send.
It's called Live Performance Jam. So वो जो
Send.
energy that inspired all the changes, I think they've recorded
Oh, I can
that.
already see it. Live performance jam, 5 minutes,
Yeah.
5.02. Huh, okay, I got it. I can
Dil
very
dhadakne
cute.
de dil
Cute.
mere. We managed to film one of the rehearsals and just felt like sharing this energy with all of you. Thank you. Thank you.
thank
We
you,
already know
yes.
it's going to be special. We already know
Oh.
it. And I just want to say mad props to Thomas, Axe, and Zulfi for the music production on this. And you know, they worked for months to get all the elements together, and
Just 7 months.
just it's just crazy. It's just crazy. And there was one more thought I had. Chirag telling his sister about Kefi. That was very
Yeah.
cute. That was very cute.
Yeah.
There were very, very moments that were really cute. I'd also,
That
I
was like
really want,
desi bonding moment happened over there.
yeah, yeah. And I have to say, like Magdi and Delara, the way they were expressing how they're feeling special, like something special is going on. And just I don't remember exactly the sentences that were used, but they are very old souls. And they said this about Kefi, that he's lived many lives. Just the way they were expressing thoughts about one another was, poetic in its own way. And it made me feel like these are people who don't see life on a very superficial level. They are very deep,
Artists, man. Yeah.
बहुत ही बारीकी से और चीज़ों की गहराई में जाके वो फील करते हैं और लोगों को फील करते हैं. It was just beautiful to hear them talk. So,
Correct.
okay, so we are back and let's get to it. The live performance jam is what's remaining. Now we're just gonna enjoy it. No more crying. Okay, chalo. 1, 2, 3, play.
Coke Studio, Season 15.
Jag sitter i en eller to, en to kan gjøre det deg Dere ko er noe rett barn og min dronning ikke vet på klok Jeg sitter i en eller to Min dronning ikke vet på klok
पिया पिया calling श्रावण गुजरे तुझ बिन तारा बिना एक लुझुआइया पिया पिया नॉर्वे गलियों ने कही दे घर सुधी रस्तो तू ले जा पिया पिया calling and he had a good at walking spilling it all over focus suck पिया पिया Norway baby that hit on bogging all that's in there for sure
Jeg sitter i en eller to kan gjøre det deg
Mamma blusa blue
Men broren min ikke vet på
قالوا أجنبي أنا مالي بحلم بيك قالوا لي أنا أجنبي قالوا أجنبي أنا مالي بحلم بيك أنا مالي أنا بيا calling بيا calling بيا calling
Jeg sitter i en eller
بيا calling أنا مالي जब तेरे शहर से गुजरते हैं तेरे दीदार को तरसते हैं तेरी तस्वीर को लगा के गले तेरी महफिल से हम निकलते हैं क्या तुझे याद है तेरा दीवाना तूने इश्क किया नहीं पहचाना इस गम का नहीं कोई हर जाना तुझे आना नहीं अब ये जाना कैसा तूने यार बनाया हाँ चाहने तेरी खूब नचाया दिया जानम मन इश्तगन तई वदारा तई हुस्ता मन भी करारा दिया जानम मन इश्तगन तई वदारा मद दर्द तो ये दिलारा أجنبي أنا مالي بحلم بيك قالوا لي أنا أجنبي قالوا أجنبي أنا مالي بحلم بيك أنا مالي بيا calling بيا calling بيا calling
Jeg sitter i en eller
بيا calling दिल धड़कने दे दिल धड़कने दे दिल मेरे दिल धड़कने दे दिल मेरे दिल धड़कने दे दिल मेरे जाना दिल मेरे
my God. Oh my God.
I cannot decide which one I like, which video I like better. I like both.
Both.
I like both. Both.
Oh my God. Can I just say Quick Style are they're just gorgeous. Each and every single member of Quick Style. Oh, the energy that they bring. Just so pure, so good. Just, oh.
मुझे पहली बार ना एक पूरे ये मुझे गाना नहीं लग रहा है ये मुझे एक like I don't know what to call it like it's a whole experience of reacting to a whole experience like you know
Yeah.
it's not one song I'm feeling like it's like a whole like album की वाली feel आती है but है गाना एक ही but you know
Yeah.
how it is so I'm almost feeling sad I'm feeling sad like that the reaction has come to an end
Yes.
for the first time मुझे ऐसा feel हो
Yes.
रहा है
Yes.
है ना
I
like
want to
कुछ कुछ
stay in
ऐसे
this
sinking
world.
feeling type
Yeah.
हाँ like exactly like कुछ yeah ये
I
क्या हुआ
feel no, I'm with you because as the BTS discussion was ending and then I told you I also felt like oh thank God we have something else
yeah
to watch, you know, like
yeah
that feeling of wanting to stay in this world, and I feel that's also because of the energy it's given us, and
yeah
it's you
for sure
because it's given us so much hope and faith and just belief in all the things that
happiness
the song talks about. Yeah.
yeah just happiness plainly
And you know,
like
that's just it's a very interesting thing to feel at this point because the space of being in a space where you feel like differences don't matter and we are all one.
yeah
वहाँ
yeah
वहाँ जब आप पहुंच जाते हो तो कितना आपको like what we are feeling right now, we're feeling so free and
yeah
happy.
relief correct
Relief, like your
yeah
guards are finally down. You know, no
yeah
more walls. You
yeah
don't need to have any more walls up. You can actually relax
yeah
and just
yeah
be, and everyone will accept you and everyone will love you. वो space में आप पहुंच जाते हो. That's why we don't feel like leaving it. So good.
beautiful
Just magic.
but
I don't
leave
want
we
the season to
must
end. I know. Now I don't want
oh,
the season to end, but it's
एक
okay.
गाना बचा है अब
Please.
last song oh
I was just telling her because she's also
yeah
traveling, but before she
yeah
travels, hopefully we'll be able to get to it, and it's releasing अभी
yeah
बहुत आज कल में जैसे ये reaction आएगा उसी दिन शायद
wow
है ना और season
yeah
खत्म हो जाएगा. All good things also
ये
come
सिर्फ
to
हमें
end.
लग रहा है या you guys also feeling it like do share your feelings regarding this because you know
Yeah,
you
please
one
tell
feels that
us.
then that interaction happens then one feels कि हाँ हम अकेले नहीं है
हम
हमें
अकेले
सिर्फ
नहीं है.
ऐसा नहीं लग रहा
नहीं हम सबका
yeah
like what do we do with our lives anymore? Is that a universal
maybe that's also already setting in a little bit huh that little
probably.
bit that feeling is also setting in yeah
Also because they watch it before us, so it ends for them before it ends for us.
हाँ
We prolong.
ये बहुत ही हाँ वो वाला लॉजिक शुरू हो गया अब ओके टाइम टू से बाय we'll see you guys next time
Yeah, we'll see you guys next time for the last time.
well yeah until next
Anyway,
time
yeah.
हाँ
On that note, we are going to loop
yeah
this and stay in this zone.
There are, by the way, there are extended versions which have started now from Coke Studio. So I'm just saying, like, you know, the party doesn't have to end just because
Party
the
doesn't
last
have to
song's
end.
out.
Just Coxel your hint. Just keep releasing
Yeah.
those versions. This whole year, just keep at it. Lost Stories ka to ek aa gaya. There was another one. I know what you mean. Yeah. Just keep
2 a.m.
releasing.
wala also I saw. Yeah.
Yeah,
Correct.
you know. In
Ha.
fact, when you're
Yeah.
back from your chutti, we'll react to that also.
Yeah.
So lovely. We'll do Coke Studio specials throughout the year. Just keep them coming. On that very happy, positive note, thank you, Coke
Yeah.
Studio, the entire team. This is beyond magic. It is exactly what the world needs, and we can't thank you enough for giving it to us. So, yay, we will see you all in the next one. Luke, we are calling. We are all calling each other.
Bye.
Live long and prosper.
Bye. Bye.
Melly, 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 be a